Okay. Excuse me. Now, as you may all know, for many centuries in our culture, stories have been passed down on bonfires such as this one. From generation to generation, from the old to the young. And now tonight, I want to tell you of the greatest story I have ever heard.
When one sinner repents,